Hello guys, so today we're going to see different types of column properties with one type of loading, how they will act according to their properties section. So for that, go to new project, click on space, give a name as types of column or whatever you can give it. So after that, I'm going to the exit plane for OK. So I'm taking a span of 2 meters for each section and the size also. So and then so of the grids, for this I'm going to select all this. Now go to translation review about y-axis of 3 meter span, link steps and OK. So for this I'm going to take 0.23 for this, 0.35 for this and 0.4 for this ones. Okay. So for that, firstly I'm going to general and I'm going to front view. So I'm going to take the supports, create the fixed ones, select this support and drag over here. You can see select all this assign and S. So we have assigned all these structures. Okay. So for next I'm going to take the properties. So I have told you for this. So first I'm going to take rectangular format 0.23 by 0.23. Add and next circle of 0.23. Add and I'm going to select the trapezoidal one. Okay. So 0.23, 0.22. But it should differ, right? So I'm going to change this one to 0.3 and YD also 0.3 on add. So we have added this. So now we need to assign this. So we have 4, right? So we're going to take another 0.23, 0.15 and 2.5. Add and close. So first I'm going to select my rectangle over here for this one, assign and S, and this to this point, assign and S, this for this section, assign and S, and for round select this one, assign and S. So okay, after that now we have to define for this. So again go to circle, I'm going 0.35, click on add. Okay, now rectangle also 0.35, 0.35 on add. After that is my trapezoidal. So here I will take 0.35. For this I have to 4, 0.35, and this has 0.3. Add taper tube of 0.35, 0.38, and this has thickness of same. So we have done with R4, right? So this for the R5. Select this one, assign selected views, assign and S. Rectangle for the first one, assign and S. Prismatic for the third one, assign and S. Round one for this, assign and S. Again go to define. So it has 0.4. Add. as 0.4 by 0.4, add trapezoidal as 0.45 by 0.4 by 0.35, add and close. And the taper tube of 0.45 by 0.45 by 0.1. RH R9 for circle for this one, SR and S. For rectangle, select this one, SR and S. This model for this one, SR and S. Round for this one, SR and S. Go to a 3D. Property for all four. Over here, so here we can see the differentiation of the tubes, right? So now we will go to general loading. We will assign the material concrete, standard, steel, standard. Nothing about that. So go to loads and definition, go to load, on add the date load. Here, we want to only take the dead loads. The add the sulfate, and I'm going to add the member weight as minus 10 kilonewton per hour and close. Add the sulfate, assign to view, SR and S. Select this one, assign to view, SR and S. So it has added, right? So now we will go to the analysis and design, add and close, analysis and run analysis and save. Think we will get errors or no? Okay, we didn't get any errors. Go to post passing, click on done, on OK. So we go to the animation, deflection, and OK. So nothing are deflecting. So we'll change the load, right? I'm going to take this as minus 80. So again, analysis, run analysis, and save. So go to animation, display deflection, again go to sectional displacement. Okay. So there is no deflection. Okay. Go to beams, select this one. So how it's deflection? So there is no much deflection, right? You see here. So there is no much load coming for this. So there is no deflection for this. You can see the stresses acting for this. So how the stress is going to act, and the graphs for everything is 0, right? You see these graphs. So this one, you see the forces acting on this, maximum bending moments, maximum shear, axial force. So nothing is going on, right? So for this we will do some like add the 4-node plate for this. 3 and 4. Yes, so we're going to general property thickness. Center view includes dry load, so it won't take live load, right? Because we don't have any much supporting beams, right? I'm going to add the dead load only. Number weight of US 3.1. Adding close. Sign. Go to post processing. So here we can see the deflection, right? So this is due to dead load, right? So the smallest dimensions are moving a lot, right? So we should not do like that, right? So this is the one. Now we will going to design it. Okay, go to design concrete 256. Select parameters. We'll take composite strength and yield strength only, and parameters such as center view. Now go to analysis and print. We are done with 0 errors. Go to post processing, click on done. So there is a sagging movement, so we go to the beam. Select here, you can see the concrete design for this. So this is a circular one, and this is the tapered beam. So for this, it's round tube, we won't be able to see anything. So this is of mass diameter and this is of low diameter. So here we can see the number of bars in the circular column. So and we can see for this rectangle, we can see the concrete design. So force deflection, we can see over here, right? So you can see the graphs for this. This one, force, stresses, you can see over here. You go to report, so you can get the results of the concrete design and the column design. So you can see the 3.2 cubic meters of concrete and 288 meters of, like in weight, this much of steel is required. Okay. So now we'll go to 3D and we will see. sorry, deselect all that. So here we can see the different types of sections, right? So I'm going to see you. So now I'm going to show you the different types. So the different types of columns over this, right? So this is how we can create different types of columns in Staadpro. Thank you.